Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can make a timer or countdown using the time trigger in Geometry Dash. Of course, the first thing that you want to do is to import your time trigger. Now it's going to be on this specific category, so right here. And then inside we then have the time trigger. So let's just simplify that real quick. Now it's going to be inside this category. Import it onto your level, and then you also want to add another thing, which is going to be the countdown itself. In here you then want to click on added special, and then I'm going to set this to item ID number 2, and then you want to make sure to select it as a time counter. Now that's really important. Of course, you can also edit out the color if you want to. In here I'll then set this to number 2 to apply its colors, and then let's set the group to number 2. From there, let's navigate back to our time trigger. So I'll just deselect this, click on time trigger, click on the edit object, and from here, I'll set my timer to 3. Of course, you can set this to whatever you want to. Maybe you want to stop your time at 5 seconds. You can simply do so. Just make sure that this checkbox is selected. Select the touch trigger so it will enable after or character touch this trigger. And then of course the IV for our countdown is going to be 2. Now if we play out the video, the timer should start after touching the time trigger. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.